From quick plate to Quickcart, in this evening's edition of the Business Review, we zoom in on a delivery service that is expanding and capitalizing off the pandemic. Here's Cody and Barrett.
There was a time when the idea of getting your food delivered meant you would have to order pizza, an observation that did not sit well with founder and CEO of Quickcart, Monique Powell. In 2016, she invested her savings into starting QuickPlate, a delivery service for food.
I did some research to find out if this was something people would see value in and would be willing to pay for. I also spoke to a couple of restaurant owners to find out whether they'd be interested at all, and for a number of them, they wanted something like this, but they didn't want to take on all the things involved with hiring delivery people and managing logistics and all of that. So they would be happy to hand that over to somebody else.
But with no reputation and concerns about cybersecurity, getting the business to mature took a lot of convincing.
We had to spend, a bit of time communicating with them, letting them know that it's safe, it's okay to put your information in, your delivery information in, your payment information in. We are a legitimate company. Our payment systems are backed by reputable companies, and slowly ease people into doing business online that way.
At first, it was just Monique and another employee, but as the country slowly advanced to using more technology, the company's credibility grew. Now she has a team of 8 in-office employees and about 40 delivery riders. And since the start of the pandemic, the company has seen an 85% increase in revenues. As more persons refrained from public gatherings to curtail the spread of COVID-19, delivery service became popular. But with that came new competition.
We constantly look to see how we can innovate and constantly improve, and there is a solid commitment right throughout the company to this constant improvement and innovation. And I think if we continue along that same path, we'll be able to not just keep up with, but hopefully surpass the competition on an ongoing basis.
Quickcart has now branched off from delivery of just food to include stores that offers everyday items. It has partnered with over 100 restaurants and retail merchants. As it continues to build, it's also looking at geographical expansion. It recently started operations in Montego Bay, St. James, which the company says was poised for its service.
It's likely that for the short term, a lot of our energy will still be on both Montego Bay and Kingston and St. Andrew. However, we are tentatively looking into some other areas. I can't say too much now because we haven't made those concrete decisions, but we are tentatively looking into a couple of other areas that we think would be a good fit for a service like this.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.